Hey guys, wanna know how to change or reset your forgotten password in Geeks4Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly reset your password from the application and when you're logged in itself. Now, once you're logged out, just simply select Forgot Password right here. And once you've clicked on it, just simply select your username or email that you had logged in from. Select Send Code, and there will be a 8-digit code sent to your account. So simply check in your email address and copy and paste the code. Now simply paste your code and select Verify. And after that is done, just type in your new password and confirm it. And select Reset Password, and there you have it. Now your new password should be created and reset. And there you go. Now go back to login and log in with your new password. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.